Welcome to the 1 million sub. Today's category, drawing. In this video, we're going to share with you some of the best artists on the YouTube platform, making drawing using pencils and coloured pencils and pens for their art. You can find all the channel's links in this video description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. Starting at number 15. Love Life Drawing Channel. Have over 260,000 subscribers, over 210 videos, and more than 13,500,000 views. Number 14. Ni Yellow Channel. Have over 140,000 subscribers, over 95 videos, and more than 7 million views. Number 13. The Portrait Art Channel. Have over 385,000 subscribers, over 450 videos, and more than 40,950,000 views. Number 12. Fine Art Academy Channel. Have over 535,000 subscribers, over 480 videos, and more than 55,900,000 views. Number 11. Drawing and Painting. The Virtual Instructor Channel. Have over 855,000 subscribers, over 585 videos, and more than 69,900,000 views. Number 10. Schaefer Art Channel. Have over 721,000 subscribers, over 225 videos, and more than 28,300,000 views. Number 9. Lazy Arts Channel. Have over 195,000 subscribers, over 100 videos, and more than 15,300,000 views. Number 8. Sarah Renee Clark Channel. Have over 260,000 subscribers, over 195 videos, and more than 35,300,000 views. Number 7. Art by Ali Haider Channel. Have over 625,000 subscribers, over 210 videos, and more than 42,500,000 views. Number 6. Jono Dry Channel. Have over 450,000 subscribers, over 180 videos, and more than 37,100,000 views. Number 5. Chomang Drawing Channel. Have over 910,000 subscribers, over 290 videos, and more than 69,500,000 views. Number 4. Josh Art Channel. Have over 425,000 subscribers, over 90 videos, and more than 30,500,000 views. Number 3. Emmy Kalia Channel. Have over 895,000 subscribers, over 170 videos, and more than 66,300,000 views. Number 2. Draw Like a Sir Channel. Have over 845,000 subscribers, over 55 videos, and more than 34,100,000 views. Before the number 1 pick, here are a couple of channels worth mentioning. BMD Portraits, Art Easel and Pencil, Drawing Art Academy, Cartooning Club XL, Irwin Art Drawing. Number 1. Artology Channel. Have over 865,000 subscribers, over 120 videos, and more than 140,100,000 views.
1 million sub. We'll help you find your new favorite content creators. Here are some of the most popular YouTube categories. Thanks for tuning in.